If you eat something 7 times, then you'll start to like it. This is cilantro. Ugh. Oh God! Oh Lord, help me. So after this time, I should be able to eat it. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, I don't believe this. Oh my gosh, I don't believe this. Oh my gosh, I don't believe this. I don't believe this. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. No. Can you continue? I peed a little. Don't hit me in the titty. Can you handle one more? I'm itching. No! I don't want to watch no more. I'm not gonna throw up.
I am craving some fried rice. I can't.
No! In the name. No! I say no! I told you not to do that! I told you not to do that! I told you not to do it! I told you not to do it! I told you not to do it! You broke the glass! You broke the glass! You broke my glass! You broke my glass! Come back here so I can beat you! Come back here so I can beat you! You broke the glass! I don't know if you made a deal with the devil or what. You know what? I want you to get out of here. I'm just gonna get. Oh, ow! Oh, get out of here. Bruce, the banana. Ow!
Really good sport. Driving me back. Ow.
Ow! No!
Everyone's been asking me to stop laughing.
Sorry. It's because I'm laying down. I wish you would cut it off. What are you doing? Oh, no! One, two, three. Naz does not work on coarse hair. Ow! Ha! Ha! Ow! Ha! Ha! Ow!
Whoa, he's big.
Go! Oh my God! It's mint. No. Okay. No, I don't. Can't move. No, it didn't. Did it really? No, did it? What you doing? Oh, I'm touching.
Oh, Lord.
It burns. Bro, what?
It seemed like you could rap about anything.
Oh, that's perfect. I like it. Awful.